Hi guys, in this occasion we are going to talk about an alternative transport mean. This is the capsule pipelines. We will explain you the functions, application, how the technology works, the advantage and disadvantage, some of history and the benefits that will bring this transport mean. Okay, the capsule pipelines are underground pipes designed to transport cylindrical containers or capsules. And my partner Toledo going to talk about the functions and applications.
Well, the function and applications. The function of the capsules is to transport things from a point A to B. The factories or companies could use it to transport people and things that they need. The applications include carrying items, minerals if it's used in a mine, agricultural products, and waste. Now, my partner Elias will explain you the systems and how the technology works.
How the technology works. There are two types of systems. One of these is the pneumatic capsule pipelines, and another is the hydraulic capsule pipelines. In pneumatic capsule pipelines, the capsules are moved by air, which is blown into the pipeline at one end and flows along it. But there is a problem. The friction between the capsule and the pipeline. The solution was put wheels outside of the capsule and limit the friction. In hydraulic pipelines, the pipeline is filled with water which is pumped along the pipeline. The capsules are watertight and are immersed in the water. They are driven along the pipeline by the flow water. Now, my partner Toledo going to talk about the history of the capsule pipelines. Toledo.
Well, the pneumatic capsule transportation was invented by William Murdoch. It was considered little more than a novelty until the invention of the capsule in 1836. The Victorians were the first to use capsule pipelines to transmit telegrams to nearby buildings from telegraph stations. Small diameter pneumatic capsule pipelines were popular in the second half of the 9th century and in the first half of 20th century for carrying documents. Used mainly by government departments and postal authorities in large cities. Such systems were used in Berlin, London, and Paris. A network in Prague is still in use today. A large diameter pneumatic capsule pipelines was built in Russia for carrying minerals. More recently, pneumatic capsule pipelines have been used on a small scale to carry cash inside banks and large stores.
Toledo, according to Freight Pipeline Company, what are the features of the pneumatic capsule pipeline? For example, the speed and dimensions.
Well, the pneumatic capsule pipeline of Freight Pipeline Company has a 900 millimeters diameter. This can carry approximately 25 tons of cargo at the speed about 35 or 40 kilometers per hour.
And what about the hydraulic capsule pipelines?
Well, these are much slower, able to travel at just 7 to 11, 12 kilometers per hour, but have a greater volume and weight capacity. and are more energy efficient.
This is lower. Toledo, what do you think are the main advantages of this technology?
Well, I think that the potential advantage of capsule pipelines are reduced traffic congestions because the pipelines will be underground and don't interfere with other communication routes. It also fewer road accidents.
Yeah, but I think the main advantage are the transport will be safer and less pollution because it will need electric energy and we can obtain it in the nature.
Oh yeah.
Toledo, can you say to the people what is the main disadvantage of the capsule pipelines?
Of course, the main disadvantage is the highest cost of laying underground pipe networks, either by cut and cover for pipes relatively close to the surface, or by tunneling, where pipes are deeper underground.
Toledo, you would recommend this technology in your company or in the schools?
Yes, this technology will be very useful because you can send whatever you want to any place in the company, easy and fast. And at school it will be the same, very useful. And Elias, what do you think about have this system in your house?
I think that I need it in my house to kind of request some food at my mom and she will send me with this system without having to get on my bed.
You can see this technology in some places in your city, like in the supermarkets and banks. They use it to send cash, documents, and whatever they want to the main office.
You also can see it in the postal office. They use it to send letters and documents inside the building. And that's it.